It is 10 am now. Some time ago in our area is rained. So the full roof is wet now. You have seen where a white fighter rooster. It was very fickle inside the cage, but after coming into the roof, it is quiet now. Its tail is pretty long. For this to see this rooster gorgeous. This rooster loves to eat insects and newly burnt grass. Yet this rooster's age is not more. It's only 2 months old. Holding the rooster in my hand, I am showing the rooster the sky. The sky is cloudy yet. The rain may come sometime later. But however, this weather is very good feeling to me. It is 5 p.m. now, and the full roof is also not yet. It is fully dry now. You have seen here a little Brahma baby. It is walking now onto the roof, but the Brahma's one leg has a major problem. This problem started 5 days after the birth of this chick. This chick loves to eat green leaves. So I brought the chicken onto the roof to feed the green leaves. You are watching the Brahma chicken is eating leaves now. I hold the chicken in my hand and the chicken is eating leaves. Now for the chicken's comfort, I kept the chicken on the soil where there are a lot of green leaves. The next video will come very soon. If you are an animal lover, subscribe to my channel.